Let's talk about this function called filter first. So if you say equal to filter, what is the syntax of it? The syntax is a range. Range would be your table. It could be a table, it could be one column, it can be a group of column. There is no restriction of what you want to filter. It's not necessary that you need to have a columns on which you're putting criteria in the range. Range is basically what you want to return. Making sense? Typically in Excel, what do? You have to select the entire table, right? So range in filter function is a column, or it can be a table, or it can be a group of column which you want to return. So I don't have to really return all the columns. This is again a new thing for Excel. Excel filters only filter rows. They had no capability of filtering columns. So let's say I've got 50 column table. I am going to filter the rows on a certain basis, but I don't want to look at all the 50 columns again. There is only few columns I want to work with. So filter function helps you there itself, right? Second thing in filter you will see is condition 1, comma condition 2, comma condition 3, right? So you know what a condition is. So if you write condition 1, comma condition 2, comma condition 3, this works as, remember and or? Yes or no? This works like an and. And if I write something like condition 1 plus condition 2 and so on and so forth, this works like a or. Right? So let's say if I wanted a condition, I wanted a table where my region is Southeast, sales rep is Chin, and I'll put something related to cost of goods sold also. Not cost of goods sold, but let's say sales value is between 3,000 to 5,000, something like this. Now, how will you filter this data? How do I revert to unformatted data? Okay, these are my conditions. Now, how will you filter? So, equal to filter. Let's say for beginning, I'm going to take the entire table, the name of the table. Now, the way you put the conditions is very different. It's not that you will put Southeast or Chin. You have to refer the entire column and then put equal to sign. So if I'm going to put a condition on region, I need for this the region column. What this region column is, this should be equal to Southeast. Okay, comma. Then I've got a condition on sales rep. So I'll have to pick the sales rep column. And what is the sales rep? It should be equal to Chin. Okay, so far so good. You don't refer because over here you're bringing the entire table, or the entire table may not be even involved. So how would it know where to put the condition? So that's why in the syntax itself, we have to give the reference of the column and the condition you want to put on top of. Now, what about sales? Again, we have a sales table. This is greater than equal to this value, comma, sales table less than equal to this value. Close the bracket. This is all working like an AND. Array functions return more than one column, one cell. So this is your array. Southeast, Chin, and all the sales values between 3 to 5,000. And the best part about using array functions are they're super light. Why they are light? Because there's only one formula and it passes the value rather than having functions and formulas in multiple cells. So they're very light. Your Excel files remain light.